Hi, welcome to another episode of Strategic Insights, providing you with the latest update in the areas of business, technology, and management. I'm your host, Dr. Martin Lockstrom. Let's dive in.
The quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI, a machine capable of performing any intellectual task a human can, has been declared a distant dream by skeptics. We argue we've already arrived. Today's AI systems match or surpass human performance on standardized benchmarks like IQ tests, the SAT, and the bar exam, demonstrating cognitive abilities indistinguishable from human intelligence. AGI is defined by its ability to match human intelligence across diverse intellectual tasks. Modern AI systems, such as large language models and multimodal architectures, are doing just that. Let's look at the evidence from standardized benchmarks. IQ tests. Studies in 2024 showed models like GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 scoring above 120 on standardized IQ tests, placing them in the top 10% of human performance. These tests measure reasoning, pattern recognition, and problem solving, core components of general intelligence. AI's ability to excel here shows it can think abstractly, rivaling human cognition. SAT scores. The SAT, a benchmark for college readiness, assesses verbal and mathematical reasoning. In 2023, GPT-4 scored 1410 out of 1600, surpassing 93% of human test takers. This isn't rote memorization. It's evidence of AI's ability to parse complex questions, infer meaning, and apply logic across contexts. Bar exam. In 2023, GPT-4 passed the uniform bar exam with a score in the 90th percentile, outperforming most human law graduates. This requires not just legal knowledge but analytical reasoning to apply rules to novel scenarios, a hallmark of AGI-level intelligence. Other benchmarks. AI has aced medical licensing exams, e.g. USMLE, with scores above 85%, competitive programming challenges, e.g. AlphaCode solving code forces problems at a human expert level, and even creative writing contests judged blind. On the ARC-AGI benchmark, designed to test abstract reasoning, models like those from XAI are approaching human performance by 2025. These results aren't cherry-picked. They span verbal, mathematical, logical, and professional domains, proving AI's versatility. If AGI is about matching human intellectual capability, these systems have crossed the threshold. The argument that AI lacks true intelligence because it's not human-like is a moving goalpost. Intelligence is about outcomes, not origins. Critics often claim AI lacks true analytical or creative depth because it relies on existing knowledge, patterns learned from vast datasets. This is a fallacy, and it's rooted in a misunderstanding of human cognition. Humans too rely on existing knowledge. Every scientist, artist, or lawyer builds on prior work, textbooks, mentors, or cultural influences. Einstein didn't invent relativity in a vacuum. He stood on Newton's shoulders. Beethoven's symphonies drew from musical traditions. Human creativity and analysis are remixes of learned patterns, just like AI. Here are some examples of where AI is at par with, or even surpasses human abilities already. Analytical parity. AI's performance on the bar exam, or IQ tests, shows it can dissect problems, weigh options, and derive solutions as effectively as humans. For example, when solving a legal hypothetical, AI doesn't just regurgitate cases, it synthesizes principles to address novel scenarios, mirroring how human lawyers reason. Creative output. AI generates novel art, music, and literature. DALL-E 3 creates visually stunning images from abstract prompts, and models like Grok 3 craft stories or poems that pass blind human evaluations. In 2024, an AI-generated short story won a literary contest, judged indistinguishable from human work. Creativity isn't about conjuring something from nothing, it's about combining ideas in new ways, and AI does this as well as, or better than, many humans. The existing knowledge critique applies equally to humans and AI. Both learn from their environments, humans through experience, AI through data. The difference is scale. AI processes billions of data points, while humans are limited by biology. If anything, AI's ability to synthesize vast knowledge makes it more capable of novel insights in some contexts. Dismissing AI as just parroting is like dismissing a human scholar for citing references. Both are building on the past to create something new. The missing piece: physical embodiment. AGI is here. Why isn't it transforming our world as sci-fi predicted? The answer is embodiment. Human intelligence shines through action: building, crafting, exploring. AI, despite its cognitive prowess, lacks physical extremities to interact with the world. It can design a skyscraper but can't lay a brick. It can diagnose a disease but can't wield a scalpel. This gap has fueled the perception that AGI is incomplete. But that's about to change. Humanoid robots. AGI's physical frontier. Humanoid robots, powered by AGI-level AI, are the bridge to a fully realized intelligence system. Companies like Tesla, Figure, and Boston Dynamics are advancing robots that combine AI's cognitive power with human-like dexterity. Here's why this revolution is imminent. Technological leap. Tesla's Optimus, slated for mass production by 2026, integrates AI with advanced actuators and sensors, enabling tasks from factory assembly to household chores. Figure's robots, designed for industrial and service roles, use AI to navigate dynamic environments. In 2025, these robots are already performing complex tasks like object manipulation and autonomous navigation. AI robot integration. AGI systems excel at processing sensory data, vision, sound, touch, and making real-time decisions. When paired with robots equipped with LiDAR, cameras, and tactile feedback, they can adapt to real-world challenges. For instance, Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot performs acrobatics, while 1X Technologies' robots handle warehouse tasks with human-like precision. Applications: near reality. By 2030, AGI-powered robots could be folding laundry, assisting surgeons, or caring for the elderly. In 2024, robots like Agility Robotics Digit were deployed in logistics, while soft robotics advancements ensure safer human-robot interactions. The future is now. AGI is here, proven by AI's dominance on IQ tests, SATs, bar exams, and beyond. The fallacy that AI lacks analytical or creative depth ignores that humans, too, rely on existing knowledge. AI just does it at scale. The final frontier is physical embodiment, and humanoid robots are making it a reality. By 2030, AGI-powered robots will be our co-workers, caregivers, and builders, amplifying human potential and reshaping society. The question isn't whether AGI exists, it does. It's how we'll embrace its physical manifestation to create a better future. What do you think? Are we ready for AGI-powered robots to transform our world?
That's all for this episode. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button in order to stay up to date with more awesome contents ahead. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.